Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Here is a USB charger, and I'll use it to show you that 12 volts front socket is not working. So when I insert the USB charger, red LED has to be on, but it isn't. So we will replace the fuse from the fuse panel. Go to the front passenger seat and remove the carpet, and then remove the cover from the fuse panel. You can use a flatbed screwdriver to unlock the cover. Then lift it up and take it out. Now you can see the fuse panel from inside the car. So now you can take the fuse panel diagram out and look for the cigarette lighter or 12 volt socket symbol and identify the fuse's positions. So if we look carefully, the cigarette lighter socket front, it's on 38 and 69 positions. We will look for the socket from the rear. So socket load compartment and socket rear, it's 53 and 67 positions. So for the cigarette lighter or 12 volt socket located in the back or in the luggage compartment, you have to check the fuses from the 53, 67 and 69 positions. So this is from the 38 position, and we'll replace the 25 ampere fuse for front cigarette lighter from the 38 position from the fuse panel. We will remove it using a flatbed screwdriver or the bare hands or the fingers. So if you can see, the fuse is burned. You can find car fuses and Sarmon kit standard and mini size in the video description below. So we will replace it with a new one. Make sure to replace it with the same color and with the same ampere fuse. In this case it's 25 ampere. So for the cigarette lighter or 12 volt socket located in the back or in the luggage compartment, you have to check the fuses from the 53, 67 and 69 positions. So check all of them to see if is any other burned. Then after that, put the fuse panel diagram back, the cover and the carpet also. And put the cover back. Now we can try to see if the rear socket is working. So now the LED is on, so it's working. If you have any suggestions about new tutorials, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.